Alright, so sun's in my eyes, but we were just coming in from dinner in town and our turkeys needed a roost and ta-da, look at this limb. It's the perfect turkey roost. I don't know if you can see it right there. So we're gonna cut it down and stick it in their pen in their tractor and ta-da, turkey roost. What a great find, huh? Turkeys will be happy. You guys need a roost, huh? You need a roost. Got a turkey roost. Turkey roost. moved their turkeys over to a new little spot. This is the third time we've moved them so far, and in 2 days they clear these out. So we do need to move them frequently. Our kids were in there helping shoo them to the back, but that was a little bit of a circus show. When we were in town today, we got them some bigger feeders and waterers, so we're gonna go ahead and get those put in along with their new roost. So hopefully it is a little bit more comfortable for them in there, and it's a little easier for us to get them food and water since there's so many now. Those feeders definitely were not large enough. So we're all out here anyway. We're gonna go ahead and get the chickens moved over to the part of the field that has the taller grass so that they can go ahead and enjoy that. So the conclusion was that we did not get the buff Orpingtons that we had ordered, so we went ahead and moved all of the chickens that were brooding in the garage on out here to the tractor so they can head to freezer camp in a couple weeks, since they won't be turning into any laying hens for us. Take two.
So
because mine aren't moving, you can shoe yours. Huh? Mine aren't moving, you can shoe. You're shoeing it in front of me.
I'm trying to shoot that one.
They're not shoeing at all. Now they're in the road.
oh my, this is taking so long. That was like tons of time and oh Lord, and like. And there's like a beautiful sky.
Should be at the very end.
Might have been Three Stooge style, but they're over here by the turkeys on the other side of the road now. So hopefully that'll make it a little easier to give everybody food and water when we come out during the day. They're also getting a bigger feeder and a new water. So we were finally in the part of town that has a bigger feed store, and we got actual stock tanks for everybody who needed a bigger water trough. So Henry finally has a bigger stock tank other than that water bucket. So he's been upgraded from the turtle pool to a water bucket, and now he officially has a stock tank, just like a big boy cow. Well, steer. Oh, that lasted a good long time.
You're a goofball, cow. Mommy, you got Goosey?
Yeah, I know. Come here. Come here. You're gonna get trampled. Henry.
Oh, that's why we can't have nice things. So while I was out here anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and see if we have any activity going on with our mama ducks here that have been brooding. And they also received the turtle pool from Henry, so they have somewhere extra to swim right now. The bathtub that we have set up as their pond right now has sprung a leak. So as we have been working continuously to try to fix that, they at least have something else to splash around in for the time being. How you doing, Mama? Anything going on? Nobody, no babies? You mad about it? Okay, I'll back up. Let's check the other ladies, huh? How are you guys doing? Huh? You should be ready to hatch any day. You ready? Let me see. Oh, you're gonna let me see? Ooh, that one there looks, well, you can't really see it, it's under the feathers. I'm not gonna take them, I just wanna see. Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Okay, I think her nest has come to a bit of the end here and she thinks they're gonna fall out, which they may, so. Move your tail, honey. Move your tail up. Let's see. Get mad at me about it. You're the one who put your booty out the door. You're the one who put your booty out the door. You got it? I got these mamas over here. Nest is. Last year at this point, they had already been kicking eggs out of their nests as they were going bad. So it's a good sign, I suppose, and a few of them are starting to look a little darker. So hopefully that means that we have some ducklings in the next couple of weeks here. It'd be very exciting. They all kind of started brooding at different times, so I'm not exactly sure when we're expecting hatchlings, but should be soon. And then this one here, she never laid a clutch, or it's either that or they stole her eggs. So there's that. But this is Dilly out here with Appa, and she had a prolapse last year that we solved, and I know she's still producing eggs, otherwise she would be egg bound and not with us. So I'm going. Oh my gosh, it's chasing me out of here. Okay. I'm good. He did not want me by his ladies. Okay, locked it up. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I'm gonna give him some of this tall grass as a peace offering since he tried to eat me. My friends? Friends? Huh? Can we be friends now? I'll take that as a yeah. Okay, cool. Birds are so scary.